All right, this is a quick video on Exness account creation and verification process. So if you're someone who's having challenges with creating or verifying your Exness account, this is the right video for you. I'm going to go through the various steps that will make it easier for you to create and verify your Exness account. Let's get right into it. This is where you create your Exness account, and if you want to access this page, you can check the link in the description of this video. I've got a link in there. You can click on that and then it will take you to this page. All right, now on this page you have two buttons here: register and then try free demo. All right, but then our main focus is register, so we're going to click on register. Now that is going to open a new tab for us, which is going to help us to create or sign up on Exness. Okay, now here it's asking us to choose our country, so we put in country here. Then we put in our email address. Then we add a password. Okay, so we just have to make sure that everything here is green so that we can proceed. Okay, this is going to be checked by default. You should leave it on. I declare and confirm that I am not a citizen or resident of the US for tax purposes. So you need to check this one, right? If it's unchecked, you just check this, right? So if it's checked, you can just leave it on. It's all right. Then you go straight ahead and then you click on continue. Alternatively, if you want to connect with your Gmail account, you can click on here and then you can easily connect it with your Gmail account. That is really, really simple, right? But then I just tend to go with my email and go through this process step by step. So I'm just going to click on continue. Okay. Right from there, if you land on this web trading view, it means that your account has been created. Now you have an Exness account. Okay, on mobile it may be different, but then it's still the same process. Okay, now on desktop it's now asking you to create a demo or a real account, but for now we're not going to do any of those. We're just going to close that. Okay, this is a bit confusing if it's your first time, but don't worry. All you have to do is to come to the top section here and then click on this icon and then access the personal area. If in future this change, don't worry, all you have to do is figure out where you access the personal area. Okay, now you click on personal area and it's going to open the personal area view for you to access. Okay, now this is the personal area, and over here you can see, you know, my accounts, deposit, withdrawal, transaction history, analytics, portfolio management, social trading, performance, so much more, right? You have them on the left side, and then the top here you have how much you have in your account, then some information on here. You can also click over here to access the terminal, the public website, partnerships, and of course where you are already, which is the personal area. Okay, now on the top bar here, you see this yellow section here. I don't know what it's going to look like in future, but then they are having this notification which says, hello, fill in your account details to make your first deposit. Now this session is the complete profile session. Okay, so in future, if this change, still navigate to find where you access complete profile. All right, so you just click on complete profile and then we see it load up. Then now it has different verification tiers. Okay, so the first one is confirm email address. That's why it's very important for you to have a verifiable email address. Okay, and then the second one is confirm your phone number. All right, and then the third one is add profile information. Now, there's the option for you to do it later and then also get started now, but I think you should get started now, which is the best thing to do, right? So let's just click on get started now. So I found my confirmation email and then I saw the code in there, pasted it over here, and then now it's verified. One thing I would say is always make sure you check your spam. In case you check your main inbox and it's not there, make sure you check your spam. Maybe it will arrive in your spam box. All right, so I just confirmed that. Now the next stage is confirm your phone number. All right, so you click on confirm, then we put in our phone number. All right, so I get my phone and then I confirm over here. Okay, so I have the code. All right, now that is also done. Now the next step, which is the most important step, is adding your profile information. So let's get right into it. Complete now. Now the most important part of this process is the residential address. because if you make a tiny mistake in your address, you will not be able to verify your account. And that is why a lot of people are not able to verify their account. You need to make sure that the address you are inputting here is either on your bank statements or your utility bill or any verifiable documents. Okay, so the address you are inputting here should be an address that you can verify. And if you input any address here that is not on your bank statement, all you have to do is go to the bank and ask them to change the address on your account to what you inputted here. Okay, and then they will be able to print a statement for you with that address. You bring it to Exness and you'll be able to verify your account. So if you are having that challenge, you can consider that, right? But then if your account is old and you've not been able to verify it for a long time, then I think that it's best you use the link in the description of this video to create a new account and follow through as I am going through it step by step over here. Now let's continue. Then you choose your gender, male, female, other, whatever gender you are, you choose it. All right, then you click on continue. Okay, now what is the purpose of opening your account? Investment, hedging, speculation, right? So I'm just going to click on investment, right? And then now it says please select your source of income and wealth. So mine is coming from employment and business proceeds and maybe savings. All right, then we click on continue. Over here you just need to take whatever it is that would work for you. Okay, if you don't have any idea about any of these things, you can just click on not sure yet. All right, but then I'm just going to go with metals and maybe for forex. Okay, but if you are newbie, you know what, let's just go with not sure yet, because most of you guys are probably new, right? So let's just click on not sure yet and then tap on continue. And then how did you know about Exness for the first time? If you're watching this video and it's your first time, please go here and select YouTube. All right, if you already know about Exness and you are just watching this video to catch up on this process, then of course you don't have to click on that. You can choose whatever option is here. All right, whether your friends told you, whether you saw it online, whatever. I'm just going to leave it on YouTube because that's where I probably heard about Exness first time. Now after submitting, it says that all set. For 14 days you can deposit up to 500 USD and trade. After that, you'll be asked to verify your identity. Okay, so it means at this point you can go ahead to start trading with your account, but then for purpose of this video, we're going to click on verify identity now. Okay, now it says that on the next screen we'll ask you to upload 1 or 2 documents that can prove your name and country of residence. Your current place of residence is Ghana. Okay, so your name and then the location that you chose is going to be here. Okay, so now you click on upload documents, go to the next step, and then you need to agree to this. So data usage agreement. So I'm a citizen, resident of, I live in all countries except USA or United States. So if you are living anywhere outside of the US, you go with the first option, right? And then now you click on continue. Okay, now here country is selected, and then these are all the possible options you can verify your identity in Ghana, right? So in Ghana you can use your passport, driver's license, ID, non-citizen ID card, that's the front and back, insurance card, and then voters ID card, right? But if let's say our verification country is, let's say, Nigeria, okay, if this is Nigeria, then it says you can use your NIN slip, which is recommended, and then also your permanent voters card, which is also recommended, then the digital NIN slip, national ID card or digital national ID card, the driver's license, and passport. Let's check for South Africa. In South Africa, your passport, your ID, and then booklet ID. These are the 3 options. Let's check for Cameroon. In Cameroon, your old ID card, resident permit, ID card, driver's license, passport. So you see, whatever country you select is going to, sort of filter and give you the options that you need to verify your account. And you only need to select one of them. So I'm just going to go back to Ghana, and then I'm going to select my passport, And then here it says that take photo of ID and then upload over here. All right. And then at this point, if you're on PC, you can switch to mobile to complete the following steps, and that is fine. So I upload my passport, and it says that ensure the edges of the document are visible in the photo. I'm not sure they are going to accept this, but I'm just going to try anyway. So I click on confirm and proceed. It says that your documents are under review. Oh, all set. So now we are done verifying that. Okay. All right. So now you can see that I have the basic verification almost done, which is the personal details, which is confirmed, and then my identity is also verified. But then there is the last one, which is the residential address, and that is the most important step. All right. So you have your address here, and then you need to verify this, and that will help you to, push up to unlimited deposit, right? So you'll be able to do that. But unfortunately, they will now ask you to verify your residential address when you are closer to your deposit limit. So you realize that over here, you have a limit of $3,000, okay? Now, when you are closer to this deposit limit, Exness will come to you and say, you know what? Verify your address, okay? And that is when you need to upload a bank statement, preferably, or any utility bill or any government document that has your actual address on it, so you'll be able to verify. Okay, so whatever address that you have on here should be on the bank statement you are using to verify, or the utility bill you are using to verify your Exness account. And I repeat it one more time. This is the most important step when it comes to verifying your Exness account. The address on your account needs to be the same as the address on your verifying document, right? So if it's a bank statement, utility bill, government document, your rent document, whatever, the address on it needs to be the same as the address you use in your account opening on Exness. Now, at this point, you have an Exness account which is, almost fully verified. You've done the initial verification. Your limit is now $3,000 on deposit. And then, when you approach that limit, Exness is going to come to you for you to verify your residential address. So these are the stages that you go through to create a verified Exness account. And with this process, your Exness account is going to be safe and in good standing. All right. So if you are new to this, or if you have created accounts in the past and you were not able to verify them, this is a good way for you to create a verifiable Exness account. Again, you can use the link in the description of this video to access, the page that I used to create this account. It's very simple. All right. So do well to share this video to others who are also looking to create Exness account and begin their trading journey. Of course, in other videos in future, I'm going to show you how you can create demo account to start demo trading, how you can create live account to start live trading, and also how you can connect your demo account to MT5, how you can connect your real account to MT5, how you can take trades and stuff like that. We'll dive deeper on all of these levels in future videos. If it's something that you're interested in, you can let me know in the comment section, and then I'll touch base on that. My name is Alfred, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and become a part of this family. I'll see you in another video. I'm out.